know the movie?
Yeah.
What about Tower Inferno?
Which one?
Oh, yes.
This one.
The name of the movie?
Nick of Time, Tower Inferno, In the Line of Fire, and La Linea del Fuego.
See,
See?
I remember.
Yeah, this one. And this one on the left over there. See those red arches? That's the one they used for Pretty Woman, huh?
I'm being nice to you. Now you get a little view of the jail on the left. See a big grey building over there?
Yeah.
It's a big bunker. Looks like a jail. Look. Hello, Robert. How you doing, buddy? I was getting off 28 for March, or not too bad. And here is the 101. That's the one that collapsed in San Francisco earthquake, remember? The double decker. Actually, when you go to San Francisco, you can see some. Actually, they're working on it. Aren't they working on it? They're rebuilding it, right? Is it ready? No? 2 days, you know. If you take your time, you can have a night here in Carmel or Big Sur, and then go for the second day. The coast is just gorgeous. Here's Chinatown on the right.
你看，你看，看到你能看吗？
They are available at the gift shop on either side of the forecourt, along with books about the theater and other visitors. Starline Door is leaving in 15 minutes from right in front of the theater for Hollywood, Beverly Hills.
The last time she was right there. And let's go down to the Sunset Boulevard. Yeah, we're gonna have lunch in an hour or so, so hopefully you guys are not starving, right? Everybody's okay, right? Yeah. 12:30, 12:45. We probably should be getting to Santa Monica. If nobody's late anymore, we should get there sometime, so... we'll have a few minutes.
He's picking on you now.
No, I'm just...
Pick back.
There you go. And we'll spend a few minutes in Rodeo Drive, huh? So you guys can walk around. No shopping, sorry ladies. You gotta drag your husbands later on, or wherever, and do some shopping later. But the real cool is this on the left is the first statue. Then the one all the way straight in front of us is Mae West. You see Mae West? Just the face. The torso is a little different. You can tell, a little different. And here is Hollywood, this is sunset coming in. I'm being good. I stop at red light stop, see? Not that bad, huh? Sunset is coming up. Straight ahead, actually, you can see that billboard behind it, that big green. Here's a topless bar, and this is kind of the creepy part of town, huh? You know the movie True Romance? Anybody ever seen the movie, True Romance? Kristen Slater, Patricia Arquette, that's the hotel they use in the movie on the left. You remember at the end of the movie?
Heron.
It is. If you never remember the movie, no big deal. You can go see the movie. It's a good one actually. It's not too bad at all. And yeah, you can find all kinds of stuff here in the evenings in this part of town. So if you got any directions, let me know. Huh? All kinds of stuff around. Anybody musicians here? You have some musicians?
Yep.
What did you play?
Bass.
Bass? There you go, that's where you could get it. On the right, rock, a lot of musicians get the guitars, bass, and drums. This is a big shopping mall. You actually can see handprints of some musicians in front, see it? Some handprints. Bon Jovi, Van Halen, they all have the handprints right here. Here's a truck for the studios on the left. This is Galpin Studio, they're probably going to a movie shootout. On the left here, Johnny Guitar. You see that store on the left?
Yeah.
That's the one they use for Blues Brothers. Remember Blues Brothers?
Oh, yeah.
Here it is. One of those classic movies, Blues Brothers. Actually, talking about classics, coming up on the left-hand side, you got some of those classic cars. There's some pretty neat ones. And, you know, Southern California is a good spot to buy old cars because no rust, huh? Look on the left. Here you go. There's some pretty nice ones there.
Oh, yeah.
That is Thunderbird, that black one. Oh, that's a pretty nice one. It's in pretty good shape. Some of them are not so expensive either. And of course, yeah, you know why, right? Because it doesn't freeze here, so we don't use salt. So the cars stay in a good shape long time, huh? And it doesn't. Well, it does rain sometimes, but not that often, which keeps the Marlboro Man over there. That's the one you see in the movie Volcano. The guy was smoking, in the big that big billboard. That's why all those oversized boards and all that glitz and glamour are on the Sunset Strip, and that's where we are. Are you excited? No? You're sleeping or what? On the right here, Fairfax, that's where Mr. Hugh Grant had to do a problem. Remember Hugh Grant?
Fairfax is where we want to go tomorrow, right?
Yeah, it's all the way down.
Down there.
On the left, yeah. Go. Keep going down south, you get to you just pass 1st Street. It's right between 3rd Street and Melrose Avenue. Yeah, on the right, this is the gas station where Hugh Grant had a little problem. He was pulled over by LAPD right there. Remember that?
Oh, that girl.
Yeah, you remember that story, man?
Yeah.
Nobody remembers that? Nobody cares? Okay. Nobody cares. This is where he had a little problem, huh? I guess he was filling up, right? At the gas station, huh? That was quite a
That's where he was pulled over right there?
Yeah. Bad guy. Ooh. Still engaged, huh? Still have the fiance here. On the left here, Directors Guild of America. This is the main trade union for the movie industry. See the big building?
Yeah.
Directors Guild of America. It's a very powerful union we got here. As you can tell, it's a pretty nice building too. Anyways, the Laugh Factory on the right over there. Here you go, they have auditions. That's why they elect the Comedian of the Year. And all kinds of stuff. Most of the cast for Saturday Night Live, that's where they went.
Laugh Factory.
At the Laugh Factory, yeah, that's where they started. Eddie Murphy played there a few times. It's a pretty famous place. And on the left-hand side, you got Virgin Megastore. 150,000 records in there. It's a big one, huh? That's the first in the United States. The first Virgin Megastore in the U.S. Big place. You got Wolfgang Puck over there on the left. This is where Schwab's drugstore used to be. Remember Schwab's?
Yeah.
Where Lana Turner was not discovered? Well, they always say she was discovered there, but actually it was not true.
Who what was?
Schwab's drugstore, Lana Turner. You remember Lana Turner? I'm sure you've heard of Lana Turner. No? Lana Turner.
Yeah.
Here we go. On the right up here, Chateau Marmont. This is where John Belushi passed away. He died of an overdose, right up there. Here on the right side, the Chateau Marmont Hotel. Can't miss it, it's big enough, huh? Here it is. Instead of Bibles in the room, you got scripts of movies. And on the left here, you got, there's something going on, Star 98.7. Dublin's, this is where Jack Nicholson comes in quite often. Of course, it's St. Patrick's Day. So it's happening today. I won't tell you who's a regular disc club on the left. It's called The Body Shop. You don't want to know, right? Straight ahead, that big gray and pink, it's Art Deco. It's a beautiful hotel. It used to be called the Sunset Towers. This is where Marilyn Monroe used to live. He had an apartment. John Wayne had an apartment up there. Judy Garland used to live up there on the left. It's pretty big. On the right, the new train. That's where Elvis Presley used to hang out. He liked the waitress so much he gave her his pink Cadillac as a tip. I don't know what she did for him, but I guess she was really, really nice. Here on the left-hand side, this is what we used to call Sunset Towers. On the right here, from the Rodas Cafe, Peter Fonda owns that place. Peter Fonda, he's a writer, of course. That's why They get their Harley Davidsons, all those Easy Riders. Then here, coming up on the left, you got the House of Blues. You've heard about the House of Blues? The Knockwood, you know the Knockwood, the Blues Brothers, he owns that place, he's one of the investors. It looks kind of it looks shaggy, but it's a pretty famous place, huh? Here it is on the left. Get a nice view of it. Looks like a shag, but it's top of the entertainment in there. On the right hand side, look at all the signatures. All those people played there. That's one of the famous comedy stores. Look at those. This is where Jay Leno started his career as a stand-up comedian, right there, the comedy store. You remember Mitzi Shore? Mitzi Shore is the daughter of Dinah Shore. She owns that place. On the left, it's a hotel. Very glitzy. It's where the entertainment comes, usually. It doesn't even say it's a hotel. Look at the doors. Beautiful place, huh? Sky Bar on the left again. Cindy Crawford on the left that place. That's pretty neat. There are a few Harley Davidsons and all kinds of stuff going on here. There's probably some additions here. And coming up is Sunset Plaza. If you're looking for restaurants, for the place where they all eat, all those stars, that's where it is in front of us, Sunset Plaza. You guys remember the show 77, Sunset Strip? Mm-hmm. Well, this building on the left-hand side, that's where but this is the building. It's actually Tiffany Theater now. That's where Dino's Lodge used to be. At Tiffany right down the left. It's Bytech Agency on the right. That's a kind of fun place. They give you cameras and they tap your phone and everything else. On the right here is Melody and this is where Julia Roberts gets her nails down. And there is Men's Drive-In. You've seen the drive-in in the show 77. Yeah. That's the one you've seen. It's been renovated. It looks a lot nicer. You can see a lot of nice cars, a lot of nice people on these patios. There's some celebrities coming around, usually. There's an Italian restaurant over there on the right. On the left is Chin Chin. That's a fusion of California cuisine, Chinese and French together. It's pretty interesting cuisine, actually. And this is Mini Beverly Hills, so if you look around, it's pretty neat, except for that guy. But anyway, it's kind of cool, yeah. Clafouti is a really good place. There's a bunch of nice restaurants. Look at Nicole Miller. The dresses are displayed like a Pudar. It's beautiful. It's like a Mini Beverly Hills here. This is the main center. Clafouti on the left, the Petit Four. Here's the Dome on the left. You know the movie Get Shorty? Danny DeVito, John Travolta? Got lunch at the Dome over there on the left. That's the place. Sylvester Stallone got his new wife, what's her name? I don't remember, that's where he got her. He was trying to get her there. And on the left on the right is on top of the alley up there, this is Spago's. Spago's Hollywood. This is where they have that after-hour party. You know the stars?
Yeah.
And after the Oscars, that's where they go. Right.
Well, it's not very big.
It's not big at all. Look at those cars, they're for rent. Anybody wants one? You have to be on a budget to rent one of those. See the name? Budget. Interesting name for that, huh? Here's the strip. All the clubs are here. On the left over there, you got the Viper Room. On the left-hand side corner, the black and green. The Viper Room. The owner is Johnny Depp, huh? That's where River Phoenix passed away. Remember River Phoenix?
Where's this at?
On the left-hand side. Somebody come listen. It's big enough. There's going to be a big party tonight. For St. Patrick's Day. Here's the Viper Room. On the right is the Whiskey Go-Go. This is where Jimi Hendrix, the Doors, that's where the Doors started their career. Jimi Hendrix played there. Bob Marley played there. A lot of famous ones played there. That's the oldest club in the West Coast. Elton John was here last week. Bless you.
Thank you.
And that's one of the best clubs in town. Go-Go dancing supposedly was invented right there. On the rocks, see on the right? On the rocks, this is where John Belushi had his last dinner before he went overdosed in his hotel. It's on the right hand side. Neil Young started right there. On the rocks, yeah. David Bowie comes here quite often. There is Georgie Maggio and Maureen Monroe, that's where they had the first blind date.
It
At
is,
the
right
Rainbow.
there?
Yep, that's the one. And here is the Billboard Live on the right. The Billboard Live is where the President of the United States, Mr. Bill Clinton, that's where he had his, he played his saxophone last year, remember?
Oh,
For
yeah.
a private party. That's right here. There is the Billboard Live. I think they actually, they're selling it or something. There's something going on. I haven't seen anything going on. One of the suites that Liz Taylor used for 4 of her 8 wedding nights goes for $4,000 a night. Yeah, there's something going on today. Look at all those. Limo horses, limo, oh yeah. Buses, oh yeah. Something going on today. There's probably a celebrity's wedding today. That's what it looks like when it's like this. MLS, that's a big bus. They spent so much money doing it. It was one of the record-breaking price for a movie, of course after Titanic now, but at the time that's one was the most expensive ever, and actually it was a flop. Not too many people went to see it, so they lost a lot of money. So they ended up sending half of the lot to the city, back to LA County, and that's the county decided to set up that Century City, all those big buildings. You know, it's the other financial part of the town of Los Angeles. We don't have one downtown, we have two here. And let's go take the Avenue of the Stars on our way to the studios. Now there's one famous tower, we call it the Nakatomo Plaza. You remember Nakatomo?
Nakatomo?
Yeah. The last tower over there on the left, you see?
Oh yeah.
The brown and blue. You remember the movie? Die Hard. This is the one they used for Die Hard. Bruce Willis. Remember?
Oh.
The last tower back there. See that kind of Art Deco, kind of interesting shape? This is the one they used for Die Hard. With Bruce Willis. Yeah, it was called Nakatomo Plaza in the movie. Remember that?